Hello everyone. Today we'll begin with our book Pebbles of Grammar of Class 4 by Galaxy Publications. Thanks for watching the video. Take care and goodbye and stay tuned till the next video. Let's begin with chapter number 15, that is future continuous tense. Now remember, we use the base form of the verb in future continuous tense also as like other continuous tense along with ing. We use the first form of the verb or the base form of the verb with ing, and in future continuous tense we will use the word will or shall. We will use will and shall along with be. What is future continuous tense actually? First, we'll study that we should use future continuous tense to talk about something or an action that will be going on at some point of time in the future. यानी कि कुछ ऐसा जो आगे आने वाले समय में हो रहा होगा और it will be going on. Look at these following sentences. She will be attending the wedding of her friend. They have written here will be attending. Will along with be plus first form or the base form of the verb along with ing. Then the second one is Mohit will be going to Agra to see the Taj Mahal. Third, it will be raining tomorrow. Fourth, mother will be baking a cake. So, in future continuous tense, we use will be, shall be with ing form of the verb. The structure will be likewise subject plus will be plus shall be plus ing form of verb. In negative sentence. Now, in negative sentence, what we'll do is, we will write we will not be or shall be along with ing form of verb, and the subject we will use will not be, shall not be and ing form of the verb. This is hence the structure of negative sentences. Let's now read the examples for the negative sentences. Well, the first example given over here for negative sentence is I shall not be attending the wedding. We will not be going to any hill station. She will not be learning piano. So, this is all about the negative sentence. They have used not after the shall or will, and after that they use the word be. First form of the verb or the base form of the verb along with ing. Now, in questions, how do we write? We put will and shall before the subject as usual and use the ing form of the verb. So, how will the structure be? The structure will be like will or shall plus the subject, then be plus ing form of verb. The sentences over here are like, will Shara be watering the plants? So, they are asking a question mark at the last, beginning with a will. After the subject, they are writing be. Similarly, in the next sentence, will they be leaving for London tomorrow? Shall we be buying new clothes on Monday? So, this was all about the examples. Now, let's quickly move to the next page. The next page says that when we make questions using question words, we will write the question word first, then we will use will and shall, then we write the subject, then we write the be and verb plus ing. For example, who will be leaving for London? Where will you be staying in Shimla? So, this is how we are writing the questions when we start the questions with the question words. Now, let's do the exercises. The first question in the exercise is, fill in the blanks with the future continuous tense of the words given in the brackets. So let's begin with the first one, I. Now what will come here? I shall be. Study changes into studying. STUDYING. I shall be studying for the test at this time tomorrow. The girl will be dancing in the ballroom. Third one is uncle will be waiting, WAITING, waiting for us outside the gate. Fourth one is I will write here shall be holding my birthday party at that time. Then the fifth one, the farmers will be plowing the fields. Sixth one is she will be cooking dinner when we arrive. The seventh one, they will be playing in the playground in the evening. The eighth one is we dash to music after lunch, and with we use shall. We shall be. Listen is the verb given, so we will write here listening, LISTENING. We shall be listening to music after lunch. Then the ninth one, he will be reading a story at bedtime. 10th one is the teacher will be teaching a new chapter next week. 11th one is my parents, again we will write here will be waiting for me at the station. 12th one, the children will be watching cartoons at 7 p.m. Last one, that is the 13th one, Ria will be doing her homework in the afternoon. So this, now we have completed the A question. Let's now do the B question. What is the B question? It says make sentences in the future continuous tense using the following verbs. You have to make sentences in future continuous tense using the given verbs. So let's do the first one. The first word is sail. Let's make a sentence for it. I shall be sailing on a ship tomorrow. Why I am using the word tomorrow? Because we are talking about the future tense. Bring. You will be bringing a coat for me tomorrow. And a full stop. The third one, swim. She will be swimming at 10 a.m. tomorrow. So, 3 parts of this question we have done on this page. Let's now move to the next page. The fourth one is bark. The dog, what we'll use here? Will be. The dog will be barking at the thieves, full stop. And the fifth word is build. The boy will be building a what? A building? No, we'll be building a sand dune at the beach. And a full stop at the last. Next question, that is a C question. It says you have to make the question in future continuous tense beginning with the following question words. आपको ये following question words को use करके future continuous tense के sentences बनाने हैं. So now let's begin with the first one. What will you be doing tomorrow? What will you be doing tomorrow? And a question mark at the last. The second word is which, and the question for it is which book will you be reading at night? So the question is which book will you be reading at night, and a question mark at the last. Third one, where? Where will you be going in this vacation? And a question mark at the last. Who? The next word is who. Who will be the prayers at the temple? And a question mark. Whose? The next word is whose. Dress will Ria be wearing at the party? So, this is the last question formed from the word whose. So, with this, now we have completed the whole of the chapter. We have done the exercises. Please go through the chapter very carefully, read it thoroughly, and wait till the next video.